Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable your email signature on your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is sign into AOL Mail and select the settings button up at the top right, and then go down and select more settings. On the left panel, select where it says writing email. So underneath signature, go ahead and click inside this oval to toggle it on. And then if you want to add anything underneath your signature or your email, you can just fill it in right there. You can do different fancy text, emojis, attachments, that sort of stuff. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.